Hey everyone, just wanted to show off my new dog ramp. It's completely collapsible, as you can see. It's got several different angles so that if, no matter how high your bed sits, it can accommodate several different heights for your pet to get up onto. You can see here's all the different settings. Right here, you can see that it will fold flat, so that this just collapses into that and it'll fold flat. You've got a carrying handle here. And then these guardrails actually come out. They're removable. You can pull them up and put them on the other side if you want. But yeah, super easy to use. You want to show them, Zoe? Zoe, come. Come. There you go. Good girl. Zoe, come down. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. There you go. Good job. So yeah, super easy, and it even accommodates dogs. They're a little larger, like her. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. It's portable and versatile, and yeah, we like it a lot.